Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this magnetic tripod. This works with a Magsafe case, so that's pretty cool. A lot easier than pulling on things to snap it in place, and I use an extendable microphone as well, so it's sometimes by doing those stretchy things that grabs it, it can be a little difficult. This has a button right here, so you can take pictures just pressing that. That's cool. So I believe this just comes out of here. Yes or no, perhaps. Yeah. So we have a little remote that just comes right out of there. That's pretty sweet. Just kind of locks in place there. That's really handy. There's got to be some kind of trick to that there. Okay, so this opens up just like that. That's pretty sweet. Has little rubber pads on the bottom here, and provides a nice solid base there for your phone. Not only does this have the MagSafe thing also, but it has these grips too. So my phone has a MagSafe thing on there, and these are, if I get it on there, pretty strong for sure. Going to hold your phone really well on there. So that's kind of nice. You can, doesn't really get in the way of your ability to see what you're recording or whatever. This has a nice rotating thing here. Nice. This is stiff, and so you don't have to unscrew anything, but it'll just hold it in place. That is cool. Okay, so that's that. This rotates if you need to loosen this up a little bit, and then pretty much have whatever direction you want. Another nice thing about the MagSafe is you can just spin it however way you want on there. So you don't have to worry about the orientation so much of these little grippers on there. If you want, you can use these little grippers as well, but not quite necessary, as I am fairly confident in these MagSafe magnets to hold these quite solidly. I have one for my truck, and I go over bumps and junk, and it just holds it there, so not really worried about it falling. So this can also be like a selfie stick as well if you wanted to hold it out like here and take a selfie with that if you are into that kind of thing. So pretty sweet actually, and the fact that it has a little remote there is pretty nice as well. That's a handy little feature. I like how it's compact, easy to put away, and then it expands to a decent size here. All right, so this thing extends to 59 inches as well. So what I like about it is, look at that, no screws or anything. So from 59 inches down to 14 inches, just like that, and then I can put it away. Now, similarly, one of my other tripods, I have a few, I make a lot of videos. I would have to unloosen these screws and adjust this, tighten it back up. All right, now I need this one. If I want it 6 feet, okay, then this is going to be adjusted to wherever. So I have like 4 different screws on there. And then this little guy up here. And then, like I was talking about, the clamps. You got to, difficult sometimes if you have a microphone extension on there. And sometimes I can only clamp like the bottom of my phone or whatever. So out with the old and in with the new. This thing, I like that I don't have to adjust any screws really to tighten it down or anything. It's just super fast. Just open it up and we're good to go. And it's sturdy, it's stable, it's easy to use, quick and easy actually. Nice solid here. I think this is metal. It's either a really hard plastic or a metal, but super nice, super convenient. Like I said, I really appreciate that it's easy to set up. Wouldn't really use this outdoors at the full extended height because sometimes wind could blow your thing over or whatever, because the base isn't super big. That if I have any qualms about it, but still stable. But if you have it in the wind at like your phone's at 6 feet high, I recently had one of my phones on a tripod and it blew over. Anyways, but inside I would be happy with that, and that's another nice feature. If the legs don't stick out a whole bunch, then they don't really get in the video. What I like too is how small this is too. So normally I couldn't use this one if I needed a shorter tripod, but I like how versatile this is too. It just comes into just a really small area here, and I can take a video real close right here. So this will replace a few of my tripods. I'm really happy with it. Sorry this review is a little lengthy, my friends, but I wanted to get all that information in it for you. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.